Mosaic plus Prizm 2209, February 16th. Here we go, guys. Good luck to all. Hopefully there's something hectic in here. I'm going to randomize this list 5 times. Team on top of the end will go to the person in spot 1. Team on the bottom will go to the person in spot 32. Here we go. 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. On the 5th and final spin, top team is the Cincinnati Bengals. The bottom team is the Dallas Cowboys. Them Chargers are in spot lucky 19. 5 times. We'll drop that list exactly where you picked up your spots. And let's begin. James, there's a chance it just hasn't... See you, Bailey. There's a chance it just hasn't filled in properly. Have to review all the breaks later on and figure it all out. We'll go our Prizm variants first. Spot 19, who have them? Joshua Banano, congratulations. Let's begin. Have I seen the checklist? No, not yet. Landry, Van Moy, Palamalu, Eddie Jackson, Blake Jarwin, Brian Dawkins, Chandler Jones, DK Metcalf, Cameron Jordan. Green Boykin, Emergent, nice. Clyde Edwards-Hilaire, Jermichael Hasty, Kid Reporter. I think he wins his Intercontinental back. I think if they're not going to unite him, just split him. Brandon Graham, Jimmy Garoppolo. Nice. Joe Burrow for the Bengals. Number 2. People, of course, still love a little bit of the Joe. All right, here we go. Preston Williams, Kirk Cousins, Gabriel Davis, Orange Wave, Roquan Smith. Cal, what's your cash out at? Can you even cash out? CJ Mosley, Peyton Manning, Cooper Kupp, Traquan Smith, Orange Laser. Sammy Watkins, Dante Fowler, Josh Ush, a Darryl Taylor, rookie, Orange Laser. Good loud. Tabby got me feel like I'm gonna win. Cover my ground. Silver, Will Fuller, Alvin Kamara. Oh, easy, man. Please do. Chase Claypool, nice. Orange Velocity, Joe Mixon, the wrong Joe, Bengal. Right, we're looking for Peacocks and Nebbies up next in Mosaic Choice.
Ooh, nice.
And then Marlon Davidson. Thought I'd mix up the old play a bit. Get something nice happening in the Mosaic Choice. Yeah. Alrighty, what do we got? Silver Devontae Adams. A rookie auto. Jeez, the Green Bay kicking off very strong. Green Bay Packers auto. A.J. Dillon. NFL debut, Nebula.
What?
NFL debut, Nebula.
No.
Is that a Bronco?
Jury duty.
It's Jerry Jeudy, Nebula. NFL debut for the Broncos. That is a big boy. That is a big boy. 1 of 1, Jerry Jeudy.
Even when you try to say it, like, properly, you still say it.
Yeah, you still kind of lean into it. Is that Dale running down the stairs to King hit me?
Could be.
I've just got for Sally.
I opened a box on the sly about 5 days ago, Blake,
Yeah?
and got a peacock of one of the rooks.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. It might have been jury duty.
Anthony Stavridis, congratulations. I think he was in the chat earlier. Beautiful 101 emboss on the back. Can I have some regular top loaders, please, Teddy? I forgot I like them. Oh, you need practice?
Okay.
Oh. How's that for just the third card in? Congratulations, Broncos. We then have for the Chargers, it's Kenneth Murray. They are to 80, if I recall correctly. Yes, 78 of 80. A Tony Gonzalez to 80. 52 of 80. We then have our dual colours. It is J.K. Dobbins, dual colour, red and green. And for the Cardinals, Isaiah Simmons, dual colour, red and green. And on the back, Pittsburgh Steelers, Ben Roethlisberger. That is that for Mosaic Choice.